Life Insurance, Efficient and Profitable Marketing for a Multi-Line Agency, presented by DAI, Life Brokerage Services. The multi-line agency primarily sells auto, home, and commercial insurance. Some also offer life insurance but often don't promote it or end up sending a life business elsewhere. Some are feeling financial pressure due to soft markets, advancing technology, and online resources. Many would like to increase revenue by selling life insurance but are not sure the best way to do so. Clients don't leave, but customers will come and go. The more lines of business you have with a particular client, the more likely that you'll retain that account in the future. Compared to captive agents and direct writers, independent agents only sell 1.5 policies per account, as illustrated in the chart provided by data from the Personal Lines Growth Alliance. So, where is your opportunity? 30% of U.S. households have no life insurance protection. 1 in 4 households say they plan to buy life insurance for themselves or another household member in the next 12 months. 24% of households with children under 18 want to speak to a financial professional about their life insurance needs. Almost 8 in 10 American households currently do not have a personal life insurance agent. It is estimated that an average household will purchase some form of life insurance product every 7 years. On average, only 1 out of 10 individuals who purchased auto or home insurance will also approach to purchase life insurance. Is it possible some of these people could be your customers who already have some existing line of coverage through your agency? How do I reach them? Is there a systematic process for marketing life insurance to your existing customer base? Is the process cost efficient? Is there an easy and simplified application process to use? Can the process take advantage of today's technology? The answer, yes. The Age Change Marketing System is a way for you to go through your entire book of existing business over a 12-month period. The process is simple and can quickly be implemented. It solidifies the existing business relationship, and it provides you with a reason to contact your customers. It creates a sense of urgency for clients to take action and lets them know and reinforces that you indeed offer life insurance. ACMS is based on 3 principles. Number 1, talk about them. Talk about them, not what you do or what you can do for them. Number 2, appeal to emotions, not rationale. Although 90% of all buying decisions are not rational, some of the most effective marketing is making the emotional choice seem the most rational. And number 3, narrow your focus. In most businesses, 20% of customers are responsible for 80% of sales. Let's expand on the 3 principles. Principle 1, talk about them. When creating a marketing message, you don't have much time and in some cases much space to reach your customers. So when marketing, especially to your existing client base, refrain from over-explaining who you are and what services you provide. Keep the focus on them, what they need to do, and or what they should be doing. Principle 2, appeal to emotions, not rationale. Once you identify the target audience for your messages, you need to consider which emotional triggers you'll want to connect to those messages. Some emotional triggers include guilt, fear, belonging, time savings, and value. Principle 3, narrow your focus. Even though you may exclude a portion of your intended audience, the message will resonate more strongly with those that remain, thereby increasing the odds of a return response. For example, start with a phrase like need life insurance, then narrow that phrase to need to protect assets, then narrow it even further to need to protect mortgage. Here's how it all works. Simply run a computer report of customers who have a birthday 1 month in advance. If the report is run in January, pull up February's birthdays. Send a letter to each person. According to marketing statistics, you should receive a 1 to 3% return response. Please keep in mind, results improve with a follow-up telephone call. Here's a sample letter. In the first paragraph, we talk about them. We appreciate your business and thank you for allowing us to service your insurance needs. With that in mind, we want to make you aware of an important date that's fast approaching. In the second paragraph, we use the emotional appeal value. That's because purchasing life insurance before your age changes could save you up to 5, 10, or even more. But to do so, you must act soon. In paragraph 3, we narrow the focus. See how little it costs per year to protect 5 years of your income of your loved ones. You've received a response to your letter. What do you do now? Open your online Quick Life Quote tool. Complete the top section with your client information. Indicate the amount and type of coverage desired. Ask the proposed insured some risk assessment questions, and then fax or email that document to DAI. Our life representatives will receive the data and send you a term comparison which includes the lowest cost products based on the information you provided. The Quick Life Quote tool is available online at www.dworkin.com. You've supplied your client with a term comparison. What's the next step? If the client is ready to apply, log into our website at www.dworkin.com and go to the Quick Apps tab. Select the carrier and complete or download one of the easy applications available online. Some of the most popular application processes are Legal & General America's App Assist, Genworth's Life Quick Request, ING's Term App Express, and MetLife's Rapid e-Underwriting. Legal & General America's App Assist program allows you to submit your business quickly. Once you've completed the App Assist request form, Legal & General America's call center representative will complete the application, Part 2, and order any required exam or reports. Genworth Life Quick Request program is fast and easy. Once you've completed the 2-page worksheet, Genworth's Fulfillment Center will complete the process. They'll contact the applicant to get all the application details, and your clients can voice sign the needed authorizations. While on the phone, they'll schedule the paramed, and later, the Fulfillment Center will order any additional requirements if needed. ING's Term App Express is simple and minimizes the amount of time you spend on paperwork. Once you complete the Term Express app, the ING Fulfillment Center will work with your client to complete the full application and medical questions. They will also schedule the paramed exam appointment at the end of the tele-interview. Later, the ING Fulfillment Center will order any additional requirements if needed. MetLife's Rapid e-Underwriting allows you to get your cases approved quickly. Once you complete the Rapid e-Underwriting drop ticket, a representative of MetLife will complete the process. They'll contact the applicant to get all the details, and while on the phone, your client can voice sign the needed authorizations. Once the information is reviewed, oftentimes a decision can be reached within 48 hours. Cost and benefit review. When you factor in postage, paper and ink, and labor costs, 250 letters each month should cost you about $300. However, the benefit is by selling only one policy, it should cover the cost. Marketing statistics tell us that by mailing out 250 pieces to your existing customer base should generate a return rate of at least 4 to 6 calls. Even if you sell to only half, that is 2 to 3 sales with little or no effort. In closing, as with any system, it must be worked consistently to achieve the best results. Do it every month for a year, and you'll cover your entire book of business. We recommend that you use window envelopes. People will be 5 times more likely to open it, thereby increasing your chances for success. Don't get discouraged at a lack of response at first. It often takes 8 times for an individual to see your logo or hear your message before it makes an impact. Make a habit of contacting your clients at least once a year, so when your clients do eventually need life insurance, they will already know to come to you. Keeping it systematic and simple? is simply good business practice. If you have any questions about the material enclosed in this presentation, please contact DAI Life Brokerage Services toll-free at 800-777-0061 or email dai@dworkin.com.